Avalanche. An avalanche is snow rushing down. It covers mountains white all around. Stay away from slopes so steep. Snow can fall while people sleep. Blizzard. A blizzard blows with icy might. Snow and wind make day like night. It's very cold, so dress up tight. Inside the house, you'll be all right. Cyclone. A cyclone spins across the sea. Strong winds roar so wild and free. It brings rain and waves so high, boats and birds must quickly fly. Drought. A drought means no rain for days, dry and dusty fields a maze. Plants get thirsty, rivers dry, clouds a mist in empty sky. Earthquake. An earthquake shakes the ground below. Houses tremble, people know. Tables move and floors may crack. Stay safe until it won't come back. Flood. Floods bring water everywhere. Streets and houses need much care. Boats may float where cars should go. It happens when the rivers grow. Geyser eruption. Hot water shoots into the air. A geyser sprays without a care. It's nature's fountain, hot and loud. Steam and spray form a cloudy shroud. Hailstorm. Hailstones fall from clouds of grey. Ice balls bounce in a noisy way. They tap on roofs and cars outside. Best to run and stay inside. Ice storm. Ice storms freeze the trees so bright, shiny branches in the night. But wires can break and roads turn slick, so walking there is not a trick. Jungle fire. In jungles, fire spreads so fast, burning trees and animals last. Smoke goes high and flames do roar. Rain can help and stop it sure. Cast collapse. The ground may suddenly fall away. A sinkhole forms both night and day. Houses, cars can slip right in. Nature hides a hole so thin. Landslide, mud and rocks roll down the hill, crashing trees with sudden will. Heavy rains can make them slide. Stay away and stay aside. Monsoon flood. Monsoon rains fall strong and fast. Rivers rise, the waters last. Crops may soak, roads disappear. Boats help people travel near. Nuclear fallout. When bombs explode or power fails, radio waves and dust leave trails. It's harmful for all life to see. That's why we need clean energy. Oil spill. Oil spills spread across the sea. Fish and birds lose life and glee. It makes the ocean dark and black. We must protect and clean it back. Pandemic. Tiny germs can make us sick, spreading round the world so quick. Doctors help with care and cure. Healthy habits keep us sure. Quicksand. Quicksand looks like solid ground, but it can pull you slowly down. Move so calm, don't jump around. Reach for help to get safe sound. Rockfall. Rocks come tumbling with a crash, rolling down with sudden dash. Mountains drop them when they crack. Best to walk a safer track. Sandstorm. Sandstorms blow across the land, cover eyes and face and hand. Winds push sand like golden rain, hiding roads and leaving pain. Tsunami. Tsunamis rise from oceans deep, waves so tall they roar and sweep. They come from quakes beneath the sea, run to hills to stay safely. Underwater volcano. Volcanoes burst beneath the wave, making islands strong and brave. Steam and lava rise with might. New land shines in morning light. Volcano. Volcanoes glow with lava red. Ash and smoke rise overhead. Mountains burst with fiery show. Nature's fire from earth below. Wildfire. Wildfires burn through woods and grass. Flames can spread so very fast. Animals run. The air turns grey. Rain or firemen save the day. Trem heatwave. Heat waves bring the hottest days. Sunshine burns in blazing rays. Drink more water, find some shade. Cool down quick before you fade. Yellow dust storm. Dust from deserts blows so high, covering towns, it fills the sky. It makes the air so hard to breathe. Wear a mask and don't just leave. Zombie fire. Peat fires burn beneath the ground, hidden flames that make no sound. Smoke comes up for days and nights. They are hard to stop despite all fights.